Hello class 4. Today I am going to start chapter first of SST, political divisions of India. Political divisions of India. It is our country map of India. It is index about N introduced about north, S, south, E, east, and W, west. W for west, E for east, S for south, and N for north. North, south, east, west. We have to know direction, coordinate directions: north, south, east, west. It is our outline map of India. Our country means India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. 8 union territories. How many states? 28 states. Our country is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. How many union territories? 8. How many? 8. 28 states and 8 union territories. List of states and union territories along with their capitals. In previous video, I taught you about physical divisions of India, and in this video, I teach you about political divisions of India. Serial number, states, capitals. Number 1, Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. Their capital, Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Number 2, Arunachal Pradesh. Their capital, Itanagar. Number 3, Assam. Their capital, Dispur. Number 4, Bihar. Their capital, Patna. Number 5, Chhattisgarh. Their capital, Raipur. Number 7, Goa. Their capital, Panji. Next, Gujarat. Their capital, Gandhinagar. States, Haryana. Their capital, Chandigarh. Next, Himachal Pradesh. Their capital, Shimla. Next, Jharkhand. Their capital, Ranchi. Next state, Karnataka. Their capital, Bengaluru. Next, Kerala. Their capital, Thiruvananthapuram. 13 number, Madhya Pradesh. State, Madhya Pradesh. Their capital, Bhopal. Next, Maharashtra. Their capital, Mumbai. Next, Manipur. Their capital, Manipur. Number 16, Meghalaya. Their capital, Shillong. Mizoram. Their capital, Aizawl. Next, Nagaland. Their capital, Kohima. Next, Odisha. Their capital, Bhubaneswar. Next, Punjab. Their capital, Chandigarh. Rajasthan. Their capital, Jaipur. Sikkim, Gangtok. Tamil Nadu. Their capital, Chennai. Telangana. Their capital, Hyderabad. Next, Now, 25 Tripura, their capital Agartala. 26 Uttarakhand, their capital Dehradun. 27 Uttar Pradesh, their capital Lucknow. 28 West Bengal, their capital Kolkata. Their capital Kolkata. It is 28 states and their capital. Now, Union territories and their capital. Number one, total 8 union territories in our country. Number one, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Their capital, Port Blair. Number two, Chandigarh. Their capital, Chandigarh. Number three, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. Their capital, Daman, Daman. Number four, Lakshadweep. Their capital, Kavaratti. Number five, National Capital Territory of Delhi. Their capital, New Delhi. Number six, Puducherry. Their capital, Puducherry. Number seven, Ladakh. Their capital, Leh. Number eight, Jammu and Kashmir. Their capital, Srinagar and Jammu. Srinagar and Jammu. It is our union territories. We all have to read about 28 states and 8 union territories and their capitals. Now, we all have to read about 8 union territories and 28 states in list. And now, we all have to read states and union territories on map. Fill up it on map. First, Uttar Pradesh, UP, Uttar Pradesh. Here, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, West Bengal, here Bhutan, Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram, here Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, It is our 28 states and United Territories, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep Islands, Puducherry, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Delhi, National Capital Territory of Delhi, Delhi, and here Ladakh, this Jammu and Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir. It is Goa, We are having below outline map of India. States and their capitals, Union Territory and Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, 1, 2, 3, 4, Lakshadweep, 5, Puducherry, 6, Andaman and Nicobar Island, 7, Delhi, and 8, Chandigarh. It is our union territory. Lakshadweep Island, it is situated in Arabian Sea, Arabian Sea. Andaman, sorry, Lakshadweep Islands situated in Andaman, sorry, Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep Islands situated in Arabian Sea, and Andaman and Nicobar Island situated in Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. Puducherry, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. Dadar from Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. Both. Single. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Union territory. Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Chandigarh, Delhi, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Lakshadweep Islands, Puducherry and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It is our union territories. And next, states: Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka, Goa, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Bhutan, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura and Mizoram. It is our state names. State name. It is in the eastern side of India, states known as seven sisters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and Meghalaya. Here Meghalaya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is known as seven sisters. Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. It is known as seven sisters. Now, today we are going to read about political divisions of India, states and union territories along with their characters. My dear students, how many union territories and states in India are there? How many states and union territories in India are there? Name them. All of you write it on your rough copy with their capitals. Now, we are going to start about the neighbor countries of India. The neighbor countries of India. Neighbors. Neighbor means पड़ोसी. भारत के पड़ोसी कौन कौन से हैं, जैसे हमारे घर के आसपास के लोग होते हैं, हमारे पड़ोसी होते हैं, हम उनको नेबर्स के रूप में जानते हैं। फ्रंट पे, साइड में, बैक साइड, at our house. Same condition in our country. Neighbors our countries in the east, west, north, south. Which countries belong to? In the north, China. China. और चाइना तो बहुत फेमस नेम हो चुका है इस समय। कोविड-19 कोरोना वायरस के रूप में जाना जा रहा है। चाइना का वुहान शहर, वुहान सिटी, जो जहाँ से कोरोना ओरिजिन हुआ, स्टार्ट हुआ, और चाइना का नाम बहुत फेमस हो गया वर्ल्ड लेवल पे। तो चाइना आवर नेबर कंट्री इन द नॉर्थ साइड। नेपाल, it also in the north. Bhutan, northeast. Myanmar, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Maldives, Sri Lanka, It is our neighbors. The neighboring countries of India. Pakistan in the northwest, Afghanistan in the northwest, China in the north, Nepal and Bhutan in the northeast, Myanmar in the east, Maldives in the southwest, Sri Lanka in the south, across the water. It is our neighbor countries. 3 water bodies which surrounded by water. Number 1, Bay of Bengal in the east. Number 2, Arabian Sea in the west. Bay of Bengal in the east. Arabian Sea in the Bay of Bengal in the east, Arabian Sea in the west, and Indian Ocean in the south. Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean in the south. 3 largest water bodies which surrounded India by water. Number 1, Bay of Bengal in the east, Arabian Sea in the west, Indian Ocean in the south. All of you watch this video about political divisions of India, states and their capitals, union territories and their capitals, and the neighboring countries of India. I hope all of you understood about these topics. आप लोग इस वीडियो को देखकर अपनी कॉपी में स्टेट्स एंड यूनियन टेरिटरीज एंड विद देयर कैपिटल्स नोट डाउन ऑन योर रफ कॉपी और उसको बार बार प्रैक्टिस करें, लर्न करें, जिससे कि आपको यूनियन टेरिटरीज एंड देयर कैपिटल्स, स्टेट एंड देयर कैपिटल्स लर्न हो जाए और उपलब्ध हो आउटलाइन मैप ऑफ इंडिया, तो उसमें आप स्टेट्स एंड यूनियन टेरिटरीज फिलअप करें, जिससे आपको समझ हो सके कि किस साइड कहाँ पर उत्तर प्रदेश है मैप में और कहाँ पर राजस्थान है, कहाँ पर